explain that day, but about Segnali Di Pericolo. So I'll call up a student. You just give us the introduction. Don't explain, just only introduction. How do you identify Segnali Di Pericolo? That's the most important thing. So that in case you are doing quiz, it's very, very easy. See, patente, you don't even need to know the language too much. Just know what it means very well. That's the first thing. Then language comes later on. All right, guys, I'll call up a student. Let me see. Okay, Mr. Godwin. Sorry, I call you. Mr. Godwin. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Can you take us
Yeah.
into the world of Segnali Di Pericolo? Introduction of everything. How do you identify Segnali Di Pericolo?
Okay. Segnale pericolo is whereby normally before the particular place they do place that's 150 meters before the particular place. So it will be a form of triangle whereby the hazard most cases or sometimes the hazard will maybe draw into that angle. That is telling you 150 meters before this very spot, you have to ready to hold down, you have to ready to slow down, or you have to brake in case of a KCT. That is one of the example to know segnale pericolo.
All right, you try. You try. I won't lie to you. You try.
Thank you.
So, guys, we're about to do something that's very important. So, in this particular part, I'll be teaching you guys some trick. So, please follow me very well, guys. I beg. I use God name to beg you guys. Follow me. All right, we're about to start now. Somebody just gave us a panorama of Segnali Di Perico. Remember, they have a triangular shape. The triangle is facing up, not down. If the triangle is facing down, it means something else. Don't forget that. If the triangle is facing up, it means Segnali Di Pericolo. Remember that Segnali Di Pericolo is a message to me and you as drivers. Please, guys, as I'm talking, be writing it down your language anyhow. It's a message. It's a direct message to me and you as drivers, telling you that that picture you are seeing there, that picture is a pericolo, it's a danger. You will see that picture, that thing they draw inside, you will see it in 150 meters. Is it clear? So there is all it's like an awareness. They are warning you of what you see in the front, in the future. That means in 150 meters, you will get to that particular danger. Don't forget that. So you will get in correspondenza. Remember, correspondenza means when you've gotten to that particular place. So this señal is always in proximita. Is it clear now? They pre-announce it. They're pre-telling you what you will see in the front. When the color inside is white, it is permanent. If the color inside is yellow, it is just temporary. Means that there is work in progress. They'll soon remove it. Is it clear now, guys? Simple. Let us start. One more thing again about Segnali Di Pericolo. Number one, cram the definition, cram the pictures. We've done this one already, Abi. We saw this guy, Dorata. Let us do it again. They said, è un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia una strada deformata. This is the definition, which I showed you guys the picture of strada deformata. Strada deformata simply means potholes, potholes in our language. Is it clear now? So whenever you see potholes on the road, on the asfalto, because asfalto, that corota, the road is called asfalto in Italiano. You know, if you see it there, just know that you are talking about strada deformata. And this is the standard symbol for it. Simple. Memorize this symbol. Memorize it. The first definition is what? Strada deformata. Second definition, una strada in cattivo stato. Don't forget this because they will use this picture and ask you on that definition. Cattivo stato. Cattivo stato means it's on a bad state condition. Number three, disestata. Mrs. Blessing, write and down. Disestata. Third definition. Number four definition. And it has what? Pavimentazione irregolare. It has irregular pavement. It is not regular. It's not straight. It's not homogeneous. It's not straight. It's just irregular. Is it clear? They said normally you will see this segnale 150 meters before you get there. Simple. Let's go further. We're starting this thing is a little bit difficult now. Watch you. Watch you. Può essere integrato con il pannello estesa. I will stop here for now. And let me explain deeply what this thing means. So, students, please follow me. You guys are 16 of you guys here. Follow me. They said, under this segnale, they said, può essere integrato. Now, there is a segnale called pannelli integrativi. See, this particular segnale is very, very important. I will show you a typical example. Now, watch. This is a good example of Segnali Di Pericolo. Let me show you something. This is a good example of Segnali Di Pericolo. They will not put a particular signboard under it. Now, what does this symbol simply means? They call it in Italiano, in patente, they call it pannelli integrativi. Pannelli, because if it is plural, or pannello integrativo. What is the work of this guy? Number one, let me tell you guys something. You can never see a panel. Let me watch. You can never see this guy, something like this. You can never see it alone on the road. You can never see it. But you can see it in your patente as a question. Let's continue. Now, the work of this guy, this particular signboard they used to put under the guy, what does it serve for? It serves to give more information about an existing signal, about an existing signboard. Is it clear now? It is giving more information about this guy because they cannot carry all information and put it here. Number one. Number two, it is giving a different information about this particular guy. Number three, it is complementing this guy. Is it clear now? They use it to integrate it, to complement. That's what they call it, pannelli integrativi. It is used to integrate this symbol. So it gives it different information, more information, or it complements this particular signal you're seeing here. So pannello integrativo, we will see it forever until we finish patente. It goes with every segnali, everything that has a signboard, it can go with them. Is it clear now? So as we are seeing this thing, I would advise you to be memorizing them. Let us continue, guys. They said, watch. The book told us that può essere integrato with a particular pannello they call estesa. They wrote it, and in patente, anything they write in capital letter is very important. They can't say again, watch, let me jump this part. I'll come back to it later. They said, they now put on that one, they call it, on that pannello integrativo, they call it distanza in capital letter. Let me break down this thing. What is the difference between estesa and distanza? Everybody that has been in my class for a long time, please just pay attention now so that you can understand it once and for all. What is the difference between pannello integrativo, they call estesa, E-S-T-E-S-A, and distanza, D-I-S-T-A-N-Z-A? What is the difference? Let us explain estesa first. Let us take, for example, this is a Segnali Di Perico. We don't know what it is for now. Let us just take it because this is Segnali Di Perico. We've not gotten there now. They now carry this particular pannello integrativo put under it. Let me tell you guys what this thing means. This is the standard symbol of estesa. Whenever you see two arrows going up, let me repeat again. Estesa as a pannello integrativo is whenever you see two arrows going up. The arrow cannot go down. It only goes up. So when it is going up, it means estesa. And what is the meaning of estesa? Estesa simply means the length. The length of this Segnali Di Perico, for example, is 380 meters. Estesa is equals to length. I'll give you time to write it down. This time I'm telling you is deep. People up till now, people are still doing mistake. Estesa, write it down in your language. Estesa equals to length or lunghezza. Some people call it estensione. All of them means length. It means that the length, this symbol does not mean from this place to this place. No, it means that the length of when you get to that particular place, that in correspondenza, that place that Segnali Di Perico is, the length of it is the value they write here. It can be in kilometers, it can be meters. Are you guys following me now? Estesa simply means length. The length of, let's say, the length of the porthole is 380 meters. If they now carry, let's say, which one here? Yeah, this is our guy. Ah, nice one. This means that the length of this porthole, remember the length of the porthole, not the distance, not from this place to this place. It means the length of how that road is spoiled is 380 meters long. The length. Have you written it down now? That is the meaning of estesa. Is there any question? All right.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mr. Charles.
Yes, sir.
Are you referring to the length of the hazard?
Which hazard?
That 380. That means the length of the bad spot or
of the pothole. Let us say in our language. Of the pothole,
yeah.
of the strada formata is 380 meters long.
80 meters. Okay.
Is it clear? It's not from the distance that it takes you 380 meters to get there. No.
Yeah.
Estesa means the length in correspondence.
If
I tell you correspondence, you know what I mean. You are there already.
Yes,
now that pothole where you are, it will take you 380 meters of bad road
before you get out of it.
Nice one. To get out of it. Wonderful. Yes. Please understand this thing so you never do mistake. If you want to keep it down one side. Now we're about to see the brother of this guy. The brother, see, remember this, they can write it kilometers, they can write it meters. Don't forget. They can write here kilometers, they can write here meters, so it doesn't matter. Now watch, guys. If they now carry this guy, if they carry this particular guy, put it under any Segnali Di Perico, this guy, this one, if you look at it, they didn't put any arrow there. Distanza simply means a pannello integrativo without two arrow up. So whenever you are dealing with pannello integrativo, you see they wrote the value inside there. They didn't put the arrow going up. It simply means distanza. Are you guys following me now? It simply means that, watch, remember that Segnali Di Perico means in 150 meters you get there. In this case now, it means that, watch, if they carry this particular guy, put him under strada deformata, it means that it will take you 320 meters to get there. Are you guys following me now? Distanza simply means it will take you now 320 meters to get there. If it's this guy they put there, it will take you 3.8 kilometers to get there. That's the meaning of distance. Distanza means, from where it will take you, origin to end of it. It will take you, it will take you a particular value, a particular number to get to that particular place. Distanza simply means distance. Estesa means the length of it. Please, is anybody stay confused about this guy? I'm trying to see. Hello, ask your question, honestly. Because I will tell you that people are still doing mistake here. Most people are still doing mistake here. The difference between estesa and distanza. People used to forget it. Remember, estesa means length. See the way I'm repeating it. Estesa equals to length. Distanza equals to distance. Finish. Distanza is distanza. That means, see if you look at this picture is a very wonderful picture. I don't know why. It's a very, very wonderful. It's true that we've not.
But in case of distance, they cannot put arrow at all.
Yes, they don't put arrow there, exactly. I want to show you guys something. Even if, I'm coming, sir. Even if we have not done this topic, I want to show you guys something. We have 5 minutes before we go break. I want to show you guys something. It might not make a lot of sense for those that I believe some people have not still understood what I'm trying to say. Let me show you guys something. See, please, the message is this. I don't want you to focus now. What did this thing mean? See, I want to show you guys something. We have not done this topic called this picture. We've not done it, but I want to show you guys something. Look at these two pictures here. One is talking about estesa B. One is talking about distanza. Watch. Then I paint here red. Look, this thing is talking about that sharp curve. For example, it means the sharp curve. Let us start with this guy first. It means that it will take you now from this signboard. It will take you 32 meters before you get to that sharp curve. Are you guys following me?
Yeah.
It will take you at a distance of 32 meters to get to that sharp curve. This other guy is talking about estesa. See, in correspondence of that sharp curve is 380 meters long. You see I'm now. This is the message I'm trying to explain to you guys. Don't look at what they put on top. It is true that I'm using this guy to explain, but I'm trying to explain the pannello integrativo, the difference between distanza and estesa. Is there anybody who will understand my routine I explain? So I will call somebody up now. No version I want to do it, yes, because I want to make sure you understood it. So I'll call somebody up. You will explain to the class the difference between estesa and distanza, and I'll show you a picture. You will explain to the class. Okay, Mr. Oppo, may I use you?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Watch. The same thing I explain now. Let me show you this guy. If I show you this thing, what does it mean?
Means spot there's 380 meter. This one means 380 meter. That is where you will get to the port O.
No, you see it now. You've not understood it.
No.
Can I
No,
try?
can another person try?
Okay,
Can
I'm
I
coming.
explain?
I'll call you.
Can I try?
Okay,
Let me
try, Saidi, try.
Okay. The panello with the two arrows.
Yes.
The two arrows mean the distance of the damage.
Allora, when you're talking about estesa,
No.
wait.
No.
It means the distance of the damage, the pothole.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
Wait,
The
I'm
one
coming
with the two
back.
arrows.
I understand what you're saying, but in estesa, you don't talk about distance. Yes, it's talking
talk
about
about
length.
The length rather.
I want you to the length exactly. The length
of the damage.
of the damage there. The length of that
Yes.
damage pothole. The length of it.
That is exactly the length of the damage. That's what
Exactly.
I mean, the distance of the damage from this point
But
to
in
this point.
estesa, we don't talk distance. We don't talk distance. We talk about the
Okay,
length,
we
only
say the
length.
length.
All right, because that's why I showed you guys this picture, for example. That's why I showed
Okay,
you.
the one. Okay, let me put it in this way.
Okay.
The one with the two arrows means the length of the damage.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the one without the arrows means the distance that will take you to the damage.
Exactly. This has
Between
will take
that
you to
point
alignment.
and the damage. I don't know
Exactly.
whether you understand.
No, you are there. You are there. You are there. Is
Between
it clear
that
now?
particular point
Yeah.
to where the damage is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm happy you guys understand. So I'm very happy now. Say we can go break, and you guys have learned something very important. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. To tell you the truth, many people are still, they've not gotten this thing, the difference between a stager and distancer. So you have understood this thing, and in patent they'll put it in capital letter because it's very important. A stager see, you will see it in every segnale di pericolo, so not only pericolo, of every segnale. It's always there. So you now you've understood the difference between estesa and distanza. Estesa is equals to length, or some people call it estensione, some people call it lunghezza. It means the same thing. Distanza is just distanza. From the origin, from where you are, it will take you from where you are a certain value to get there. That is the value they put there. Now, no more 150 meters there anymore. Are you guys following me now? The value now, that is the meaning of panel integrative. Because panel integrative gives you more information or a different information about particular thing. You see the way I explain it now? All right, guys. Our break will last for only 8 minutes. You can put your food in fire. Then we'll come back again. All right, guys. So apart from these particular two guys they call estesa and distanza, they can also put other panel integrative there. There are many. There are many. We've not got it. We'll get there small. So you can see many type of panel integrative, but we'll just discuss only these two for now because these two are very, very important. They are very, very important concerning segnali di pericolo. So they say they can also put limite massimo di velocità. We will discuss this guy later on, not now. They can also tell you the maximum speed limit you can drive there. This one too is a panel integrative. Is it clear now?